All right, here we go.
The fucking M80.
Gonna light this
M80.
M88 off, and we'll just see what the results are gonna be.
Oh fuck me! Oh, it's raining again.
All right, here it goes. Pretty wet. Oh damn!
Ow! Fuck!
Dude, you see that cat? Dude, that hurt my fucking ears.
I fucking a piece hit my leg.
Holy shit! All right, this time we're gonna Did you get hit with the fucking shrapnel off of that last one?
Yeah, I got by a piece.
Yeah, we're gonna put a bucket over it and see what happens when we do that.
I gotta check my leg over this.
Alright, you ready?
Get back, get back, get back. Oh!